Have you ever used Microsoft Project to manage your projects?
Yes, I have. It's a powerful tool that can help you manage your projects more efficiently.
I've heard about it, but I'm not sure where to start. What are some of the key features of Microsoft Project?
Well, you can use various views and tables to schedule and manage tasks, analyze and measure progress, budgets and resources, customize and share reports, and much more.
That sounds like a lot. How can Microsoft Project help me manage my projects more efficiently?
By using Microsoft Project, you can easily track your project's progress, identify potential issues, and make informed decisions to keep your project on track and within budget.
That's great to know. Is Microsoft Project easy to use?
Yes, it is. Microsoft Project has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to create and manage your projects.
That's good to hear. Is there any certification available for Microsoft Project?
Yes, you can earn 19 PDUs or contact hours toward your project management education for certification with PMI by completing our Microsoft Project Fundamentals course.
That's fantastic. I'll definitely consider taking the course to improve my project management skills.
That's great to hear. Microsoft Project is a valuable tool for project managers and team members, and our course can help you get the most out of it.